Hello Ancient Egypt fans, it's me, the Ancient Egyptian. I recently visited Tutankhamun, the Immersive exhibition. I took a lot of photos and videos, and I've made this short video for you to enjoy. A familiar face greets me at the entrance to the room of artifacts. Some artifacts are real, some are replicas. Can you spot the imposters? Let me know in the comments. Now we go back in time, to the creation of the world.
He is the mighty Atum, the first god, creator of all gods. He made the heart of the animals beat, the plants grow, the water flow in the valley of the Nile. He gave light to the stars. He created life and also death.
Can you name the gods and goddesses directly created by Atum? Let me know in the comments. The Nile Valley awaits us.
Creator of the human being on his potter's wheel. He is Heket, who gives life to my inert body. They created me as a man, as a king.
Then we do some sightseeing, stopping at the pyramids and the Sphinx. Then to Karnak. Arriving at Abu Simbel. Next, artworks of Tutankhamun and Ankhesenamun and Immaculate Temple walls. Then we come to the decorated tomb. If you can tell me whose tomb that was, you'll have an honourable mention in my next video. Now we leap forward in time.
Most cherished secrets to modern-day mankind in 1922. In the shadows of the silent sphinx and the gigantic pyramids that stood as lonely sentinels over the vast stretch of burning sand, an English archaeological expedition headed by a man named Howard Carter sought to uncover the tomb of an ancient Egyptian pharaoh, King Tutankhamun. Egypt, historically speaking, was considered by most historians to be the true cradle of civilization. Carter and his sponsor, Lord Carnarvon, began in 1922 to dig for the hoped-for prize of an undisturbed pharaoh's tomb. All around them were evidence of antiquity's secrets, as uncovered by earlier expeditions going back as far as Napoleon in 1801. Dating as far back as 3600 BC, stone columns and monuments stood perfectly preserved to spur on the new expedition in its feverish digging. Hanging over the excavation party was a pall of superstition that threatened the progress of the expedition at every turn. The native laborers felt sure that this desecration of early graves would bring only tragedy to all involved. Fighting that feeling as well as the blazing desert sun, Carter ruled with an iron fist and was hard-pressed to keep the work going.
Can you name any of the archaeological sites in the newsreel? Let me know in the comments. Now we travel into the underworld.
I can feel. Note, goddess of the sky and stars, welcomes me by offering me the life-giving water of the Nile to begin my long journey to the kingdom of Osiris. My spirit, Ka, who has always been with me from the moment of my birth, accompanies me to the gates of the west. There, Osiris, the god of death, awaits me. I have crossed the threshold of the kingdom of Osiris. 12 baboons greet me as if I were the sun god. I am reunited with Ra. I have the renewed strength of a god, and as such, I must fight the evil power of the serpent Apophis.
Now I move from immersion to VR. From Tutankhamun's tomb, I rise to travel through hellfire, to face the Hall of Judgment. I passed my test. I would live forever, but how did they make my mummy? I am washed with sacred Nile water. Preserving tree resin is applied all over my body. All my hair is removed. My brain is removed piece by piece with a long hooked wire. My skull is rinsed clean and filled with preserving resin. The slitter would make an incision into my left abdomen and drains all fluid. The embalmer would remove my stomach, intestines, liver and lungs, coating them in resin and placing them in 4 canopic jars. Safe in a canopic chest, they will be buried with me. My heart is left inside my body and covered by an amulet to aid me when it is weighed by Anubis. My body is stuffed with linen to keep its shape. My body is covered with natron salt to preserve it forever. For 40 days my body dries out and shrinks. As I am royal, my arms are crossed like my father Osiris in a gesture of resurrection. My body is wrapped in the finest linen. Up to 375 square meters or 4,000 square feet was used. Protective amulets are placed on my body to ward off demons and aid my journey. The crook and the flail were placed in my crossed hands, imitating my father Osiris. I lead, provide, and protect my people. A golden mask resembling my face is placed so my soul recognizes my body. We await the chief embalmer. Anubis performs the opening of the mouth to allow me to breathe, see, eat, and drink again. My mummy is ready, a divine falcon. My mother Isis or her sister Nephthys protects me. Placed in successive coffins, my body will be protected for eternity. Back under the VR goggles, I got to explore Howard Carter's base camp. My final thought on this experience is that it makes ancient Egypt accessible to everyone and stimulated the senses. It made history come to life and will no doubt attract interest from those who are reluctant to read a book or can't afford to see the real thing. For me, it's a triumph. Conservation and new discoveries don't come for free, and nor should they. The more people that develop an interest in ancient Egypt, the more likely they will pay to enter museums, travel to Egypt, study Egyptology, and donate to digs and collections. Ancient Egypt and the preservation of its monuments and artifacts belongs to every generation, including those who come after we've gone. This experience, and I hope many like it, will go some way to keeping that mission alive. Let me know in the comments if you've been to the exhibition yourself and what your thoughts were. Also let me know what medium of learning about history works best for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and supporting the channel. Please leave a like, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a future video.